friends, welcome back to our channel. So today first we are going to make caramel pudding and then chocolate pancakes. So let's begin. Let's make the caramel. First take 1 tablespoon sugar, then add 1 teaspoon water. Cook on low heat until the sugar dissolves and the syrup starts to darken. Then transfer the caramel to the mold in which you are making the pudding. Set it aside.
Let's make the batter for the pudding. Take 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 egg. Mix it well. Then pour the batter through a strainer into the mold. Place a plate and fill it with water. Then place the pudding in it and cook it for 30 minutes on medium heat. Then chill the pudding in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours.
Enjoy your pudding. Now it's time for the pancakes. First take 1 cup of maida, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half cup cocoa powder. Then add 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup milk, vanilla essence. Mix it well.
Heat up a pan, apply a dab of oil, and pour the batter on it. low heat for 2 minutes on each side. Now let's make the ganache. Take 125 ml fresh cream and add a slab of chocolate to it. Let the chocolate melt in the heat of the cream.
Enjoy your pancakes. You can also make vanilla pancakes by skipping the cocoa powder in the batter and follow the rest of the recipe. If you like today's video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
If you're new, click over here so that you don't miss out any of our videos. If you want to check out our last video, click right here. So until then,
Bye-bye.
bye bye.